Welcome. If you've been noticing that Snapchat is running a bit slow or acting glitchy, clearing the app's cache could help. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache for Snapchat on your phone in just a few easy steps. Let's get right into it. First, open your phone's settings. You can usually find the Settings app represented by a gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option that says Apps or Applications. Keep in mind that the name might vary slightly depending on your device. After you tap on Apps, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Scroll through this list until you find Snapchat. Once you locate it, go ahead and select it. This will take you to the app's info page, where you can manage various settings. Now, in the Snapchat app settings, look for the option labeled Storage. This section shows you how much space Snapchat is using and allows you to manage its data. Tap on Storage to continue. In the Storage menu, you'll see two options, one for clearing data and another for clearing cache. Today, we're focusing on clearing the cache, so look for the button that says Clear Cache at the bottom right of the screen. Tapping this button will remove temporary files that Snapchat has saved, which can help improve the app's performance without affecting any of your personal data or login details. After you tap Clear Cache, you might notice a slight delay as the app processes this action. Don't worry, this is completely normal. Once it's finished, you can exit out of the Settings menu and return to Snapchat, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully cleared the cache for Snapchat on your device. This should help enhance the app's speed and resolve any minor issues you were facing. If you found this guide useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to get the most out of your favorite apps. Happy snapping!